Hi guys, my name's Preece. I'm 29 years old and I'm a new artist to the Collision brand. I've been playing drums for 22 years, playing all different types of stuff from funk, blues to rock and roll. I'm currently a drummer for Cancel the Transmission and a covers band named Head Unit. Currently I am using Collision 7As. I've been using these sticks now for about 6 or 7 months, these actual pair of sticks, every single weekend. And not a mark on them. These are probably one of the best sticks I have used out of all the brands that I've been using over the years. Reason why I do like them is because they're not waxy at all. They're really nice in your hands. Got a nice weight to them all over. And yeah, they hold up with all the hard hitting. So today I'm going to do a playthrough of one of my band songs, Cancel the Transmission. There's a song called Come Get Some, and I hope you enjoy it.